System files corrupted by the Network Location Awareness Service DLL failure. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. For professional-grade Network Location Awareness Service maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Network Location Awareness Service, the Network Location Awareness NLA Service Library. It allows Windows to identify which network it is connected to and apply the appropriate firewall rules, public versus private. If corrupted, the system may get stuck in public mode, blocking all local file sharing, or the network and sharing center will fail to load entirely. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Nlasvc is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan, now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to re-scan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Network Location Awareness Service component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Because the restart didn't stabilize the connection stack, we'll perform a full network synchronization now. Open Command Prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type NETSSH space IINT space IIP space RREESSET, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space WINSOCK space RESEET, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, this process clears the internal network plumbing by purging corrupted configuration caches, ensuring that your connectivity DLLs can re-establish a clean handshake with the OS. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Manual intervention with Network Location Awareness Service DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to Network Location Awareness Service. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Network Location Awareness Service working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.